Okay, so let's continue. Now we're going to use the GeoPortal as a tool to plot the technical descriptions in the title. So just visit this GeoPortal here, then you will see this screen. Just please take note that there's a disclaimer here, okay, that this cannot be used for legal purposes. I'll take note of that. And now, since wala akong title to use at the moment, let's see a presidential proclamation. Okay, now what we're going to do is to use first to establish the tie line, and we know that the province is Metro Manila. Taguig is part of Metro Manila. Oops, it's Taguig. Here we're going to plot it, this portion. Okay, municipality, and then for the tie line we're going to use this tie point. Okay, BLLM number 1 590 of Taguig. Okay, BLLM number 1. Okay, now let's expand this para makita ninyo. So now na meron na tayong tie point, now let's plot this. Ito yung tie line nya. Okay, that's south 26, 56, 54 west, 43, 96. Okay, you can see it's already showing on the map where it is located. So as what I have seen, ito yung, if this is now the technical description contained in the title, makikita na natin na nandun siya sa tabi ng Hall of Justice. Okay, north 88, 48, east 65.12, 01. Okay, so we're back to point 1. As you can see, ito yung lote. So ngayon, this is just for demonstration only. We're going to use this also, this technical description when we use the lot plotter that I created. Now i-export natin. So na-plot na natin siya sa GeoPortal. Okay, now it's time to export or to extract. This is presidential EP601 lot 2-A. Import into the Google Earth. Okay, so you can see I already have created it here. Okay, this one. Okay, we're going to import KMO. So here, ayan, yan. Then a while ago I also plotted yung 601. Okay, so 601 is itong portion na to. Ito lot 1 of this presidential proclamation. Okay, so now we're going to import that also, so you can see yun. Okay, so yung 601 is actually yun. I can from here you can see na ito matches dito. Please take note that this is not this is not accurate, so we're only using it to approximate the location. Ngayon, if ang property is the title being shown to you pertains to a lot in, say, Bulacan, but then after using this geoplatter, lumabas is nasa Nueva Ecija siya or dun sa katabing barangay. So it shows na magduda na kayo kung ano talaga yung binibenta sa inyo. Okay? So that's how we use it. Particularly it's a platter. Okay? I just have to visit this. Then next is we're going to use the platter that I created.